Welcome to this beginner's guide to Power BI, your gateway into the world of data insights and visualization. In this video, we'll embark on a journey to unravel the capabilities of Power BI, a dynamic tool designed to transform raw data into compelling visual stories. Whether you're a business professional, a data enthusiast, or just curious about the art of turning numbers into actionable insights, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps into data analytics or a seasoned professional looking to broaden your skill set, this guide will equip you with the tools to confidently wield the power of Power BI. So, let's embark on this adventure together, where we turn data into stories, and stories into actionable insights. 1. What is Power BI? Power BI is a comprehensive business intelligence and data visualization tool developed by Microsoft. It empowers users to connect to various data sources, transform raw data into meaningful insights, and create interactive reports and dashboards. Key advantages. 1. User-friendly interface. Power BI offers an intuitive interface that requires minimal coding skills, making it accessible to both technical and non-technical users. 2. Integration with Microsoft ecosystem. Power BI seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft tools like Excel, SharePoint, and Azure services. Real-time data analysis. It allows for real-time data analysis, helping users make informed decisions based on the latest information. 4. Interactive visualizations. Power BI enables the creation of interactive visualizations that enhance data exploration and understanding. Why use Power BI? 1. Data exploration. Power BI helps you explore and analyze data from various angles, revealing patterns, trends, and insights that might be missed in raw data. Data storytelling. It lets you create compelling data narratives by combining visuals, explanations, and interactivity to communicate insights effectively. 3. Collaboration. Power BI's cloud-based service facilitates collaboration by allowing multiple users to work on reports and dashboards simultaneously. 4. Business agility. With quick and dynamic reporting, Power BI enables businesses to respond swiftly to changes and make data-driven decisions. Comparison with other tools. 1. Excel. While Excel is great for calculations and basic data analysis, Power BI takes it a step further with interactive and visually engaging reports that can handle larger datasets. 2. Tableau. Power BI offers similar data visualization capabilities as Tableau but often comes at a more accessible price point, particularly for organizations already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem. QlikView. Both Power BI and QlikView are data visualization tools, but Power BI's integration with other Microsoft tools and services provides a seamless workflow for users familiar with Microsoft products. Use cases. Sales analysis. Track sales performance, analyze trends, and identify opportunities for growth through interactive dashboards. Financial reporting. Create comprehensive financial reports that help organizations monitor budgets, expenses, and revenue. Supply chain management. Monitor inventory levels, optimize supply chains, and identify bottlenecks using real-time data. Marketing insights. Analyze marketing campaigns, customer behavior, and engagement metrics to refine marketing strategies. Healthcare analytics. Evaluate patient data, clinical outcomes, and resource allocation to enhance healthcare services. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the fundamentals of Power BI. We hope you've gained a clearer understanding of how this powerful tool can transform the way you analyze and visualize data. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to Power BI's capabilities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and insights into the world of data analytics and visualization. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay curious, stay creative, and remember that the world of data has endless stories waiting to be told. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep harnessing the power of data with Power BI.